So Saramonic just released a really amazing wireless microphone system that gives you just about everything you need to have a quick start and really good clear sounding audio, whether you're filming on your mobile phone or on your bigger cameras. This is the new Saramonic Air. It might just be the new king of affordable, high quality wireless audio. And by the way, you're actually listening to it right now and you will be throughout the whole video, so you know what the quality is gonna be. But we're gonna take this out and test it in other places as well later on in the video. But first, let's just dive in and check out some of the other features on the Saramonic Air.
MrBlack.
And if you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and hit that like button on this one specifically if you can. And I'll put links to everything that we're talking about today down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. Now, Saramonic did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take my time, play around with it, test out all the features, and then share my experiences and thoughts with you guys. This thing is loaded with accessories. You get the charging case, which has this really cool glass look to the front so you can see inside. You also have your two wireless mics, a receiver, and a clip for the receiver, plus USB-C and lightning adapters. You can have them all charging in the charging case and then have that plugged in to charge as well. It also comes with a little accessory bag and two really cool lav mics, and I just love the way they're designed. And they also sound amazing. They also plug into this port right here and just make it really quick and simple to plug it in securely. The lav clips are very high quality, and they have foam muffs for the lavs, plus wind muffs for the wireless transmitters themselves, because the transmitters are microphones as well. Now you can also get this additional adapter. This is a hot shoe adapter for Sony cameras, around $30. It's actually how I have it connected to my Sony camera right now. It makes it really easy. All I do is just pop it on the hot shoe and it's there. No other wires or anything like that. It's that simple. But in case you have another camera, it does come with a TRS cable, so you can plug it from that receiver into any 3.5mm jack on a camera. The mics themselves are simple to use. One button for power, another tap to mute the mic, and there are LED light indicators so you can see when it's muted or not. Plus, if you double tap it, you can actually start and stop your video on your phone, so it's kind of like a remote. These transmitters are incredibly lightweight. You barely notice them when they're clipped on, and the microphones that are on them actually sound really good as well. The receiver, it features a clear 1.05-inch full-color display for easy monitoring of your levels, noise cancellation, and gain. Plus, you can hold down one of these buttons to mute the corresponding mics from behind the camera. The Air's receiver has 75 Hz, 150 Hz low-cut filters, and especially thanks to that built-in limiter and -6 dB safety track, that'll help protect against any unexpected audio spikes. There's also an output on it for headphones to have real-time monitoring. One of my favorite things on the receiver is the switch to lock design. So whether it's lightning or USB-C or the hot shoe adapter, you actually just twist it on to lock and it locks into place. Some of the other ones might push out a little bit too far and then you don't get anything recorded with the mics, which is really annoying. This one is locked into place. It's that simple. And again, the fact that you have USB-C means that you can connect it to your phone, tablets, even computers, and use it as a source there. It'll even work on some action cameras and live stream cameras. It's pretty much plug and play. It even supports simultaneous output to two different devices. That way you can use the same receiver on two different devices. Maybe one device is horizontal and the other one is vertical. Now, a big talking point with the Saramonic Air is the sound quality. It comes with the discreet 9.7mm lavalier microphones that boast a 6mm diaphragm. That's 1.5 times larger than standard lav mics. All right, so now we're outside, and this is actually a perfect environment for this because we got car noises like all over the place here, so we can test out that noise cancellation. Right now, I'm still using the lav mic. Then I have the second microphone here, but it's not on yet. So I'm gonna turn that on and mute the other one so you can hear the difference. All right, so this is what it sounds like with just the wireless microphone itself with the wind muff on it. So now you can hear the differences between the regular wireless microphone and the lav microphone that's plugged in. All right, so this is the lav microphone now, so you can see it right here. Like you can barely see it. That's the cool part about having the lav, and it sounds so good for that. But now let's talk about the noise cancellation, because as you can hear, it is very noisy, and I can turn that noise cancellation on. Here is level 1. So right now, noise cancellation is on. This is back to the lavalier microphone. So now this is full noise cancellation. So hopefully you won't be able to hear the road sounds as much as you did. So watch, I'll turn that all off. So there's no noise cancellation here. And yeah, this is a huge difference. I'll keep talking. Noise cancellation 1 right there, and then noise cancellation 2 right there. So you can hear that. Yeah, There's a highway on the other side of the camera over here. So now we're really far back and just talking normally. So there's kind of a range test for you. I mean, that's the interesting part about the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, is that line of sight's always going to be better. And also, you know, if you get towards the edge of the range, you might get some dropouts, and that's with every 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system. But let's talk about the battery life. So these give you a 9-hour battery life on the transmitter and 6 hours on the receiver with the screen on. And that receiver does support charging while it's being used. And then you can use the charging case to keep your microphones charged up, swap them out from one mic to the other if you need to. And I love that transparent lid on the top, so you can always just see the charging status at a glance. So who is the Saramonic Air for? Well, if you're a content creator, filmmaker, or even just starting your YouTube journey and you need a reliable, high quality wireless microphone system without breaking the bank, the Saramonic Air is an absolute no-brainer. Again, you've been listening to it this whole time. And again, check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price point. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Saramonic has actually been really good to this channel, and I've made some other videos of their microphones if you want to check them out. This one right here, I gave to Vegas Matt. So if you want to watch that video, click right there, or you could check one of these other videos out. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.